why HR is one of the existing fields for the lawyers. Based on their ability to read, comprehend, interpret laws, the lawyers are often considered very knowledgeable and smart about the topics they may not specialize in. Human resources, it should be a very easy field for a lawyer because much of the HR work is predicated on the understanding and interpreting the laws concerning the employer and employee rights. A lawyer is likely to expand his focus from providing legal advice to advising the employers in an HR career. The human resource in every organization must be ensured about their participation in the management, quality of work, life, job satisfaction, grievance redressal, conflict resolution, their freedom to form association and collectively bargain for their rights. The law regulates the human resources in an organization by various labor welfare and social security legislations. The lawyer planning to enter the HR field, he must revise his resume. A lawyer must demonstrate their skills with employment regulation, labor law, interaction with HR clients, and experience representing the interest of the companies as well as the employers. It will demonstrate that a lawyer can add value to an organization in his HR role. The key concepts and areas of expertise that lawyer can transfer from legal services to HR practices, it basically includes representing the management interest, defending the company, possession of employment matters, mitigating the risk in HR decision making. In addition, the lawyers also must highlight their background and legal training in understanding and interpreting the laws which are very relevant to employer-employee relation, like Employees Provident Funds Act, Employees State Insurance Act, Minimum Wages Act, Payment of Bonus Act, Payment of Gratuity Act, Trade Unions Act, Child Labor Act, Maternity Benefit Act, etc. The HR manager with legal background will be able to ensure that a free and fair hearing is conducted by the internal committee, like the principle of audi alterum partem, which means fair hearing opportunity to everyone. It must be followed.